Welcome to Car Teck Unlocked, your destination for elite machines in crystal clear 8K. Today, we unveil the track-bred beast, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GT2. From the very first glance, the Mercedes-AMG GT2 declares war on conformity. Its massive Panamericana grille, flanked by razor-sharp LEDs and oversized carbon intakes, is a brutal yet beautiful invitation to speed. Every surface is sculpted for aerodynamic performance, and under the showroom's crystal-clear lighting, the GT2's front end commands attention like a machine built to dominate the track, and your imagination. The rear of the GT2 is where engineering turns theatrical. That towering swan-neck carbon wing doesn't just slice the air, it anchors the car at over 250 km per hour. The LED taillights form a razor-thin boundary between form and function, while the aggressive carbon diffuser funnels turbulent air away from the underbody. The center exhaust growls softly, hinting at the chaos it unleashes. This is what purpose-built performance looks like from behind. From the side, the GT2's silhouette reveals its mission: speed above all. The extended hood, wide track, and vented arches give the car an athletic, almost predatory stance. Yellow accent stripes trace the car's aggressive lines, while center-lock AMG wheels nestle into Michelin racing slicks. The carbon side skirts and air ducts don't just complete the look, they channel air with ruthless efficiency. In this 8K showroom light, the GT2's racing DNA becomes undeniable. Inside the cockpit, you are not simply driving, you are commanding. The AMG racing wheel, fitted with telemetry controls and drive mode switches, sits ahead of a full digital display with lap-time data and vehicle diagnostics. Every switch and dial is function first. It's a cockpit for professionals, and for those who dream of being one. In this 8K close-up, the carbon textures, readouts, and harness buckles are captured in unmatched clarity. Lift the hood and the heart of the GT2 greets you with raw power. A twin-turbocharged 4.0 LV8 AMG engine, tuned specifically for competition. The plumbing, the heat shielding, the dry sump cooling, it's all there to push this machine past limits. The forged carbon intake and the signature AMG plaque are proudly on display, proving this isn't mass production. It's handcrafted, track-hardened excellence, and in this lighting, every bolt tells a story. Up close, the GT2's wheels are a masterclass in race-grade engineering. The matte graphite center-lock rims wrap around glowing carbon ceramic discs, massive, vented, and fade-resistant. Yellow AMG calipers bite with authority. You can almost feel the heat radiate off the rotor. This is where rubber meets control, and the 8K macro detail leaves nothing to the imagination. It's mechanical beauty at full intensity. From above, the GT2 reveals the artistry in its aggression. The central roof scoop, carbon cooling ducts, and symmetrical proportions give it an unmistakable GT racer form. The widened stance and flared arches blend into the streamlined roof like a single fluid motion. Here, engineering meets sculpture, and in this cinematic top-down angle, we witness aerodynamic perfection rendered in 8K. As the lights dim, the GT2 becomes a creature of darkness. The laser-like headlights cut through the void, while the glowing red taillights mark its trail. Reflections slide across the carbon bodywork like whispers of speed. Inside, the dim cockpit glows red, race-ready, even at midnight. This scene captures the quiet tension of stored power, waiting, coiled, unblinking. Welcome to the calm before the chaos. Now we see the GT2 where it belongs, on a racetrack, mid-apex, carving through tarmac with lethal precision. The body rolls just slightly, perfectly balanced, as the downforce claws the car into the corner. Brake dust spins off glowing rotors. Every detail, from the tire deformation to the wings flex, is frozen in 8K clarity. This is performance in motion. Art at full speed. AMG Unleashed.